I don't know about you guys, but I spend a lot of time on YouTube. If you're like me, you might as well make the most out of it, right? So here's 5 tips on how to make the most out of your time on YouTube. Let's get into it. Tip number 1 is to use the dark theme, which has been introduced a while ago. You're just gonna have to go to your account icon in the upper right corner, go to dark theme and switch it on. And there you go, it's that easy. That's really helpful if you just like dark themes and dark modes, but also if you're watching YouTube at night and don't want to stare at white screens all the time, I really recommend you checking this out. Tip number 2 is to use keyboard shortcuts in the YouTube player. I do it all the time. It's pretty much second nature for me at this point. You're just gonna, for example, use your left and right arrow keys to skip forward or backwards 5 seconds. You can do 10 seconds by using J and L on your keyboard, K to pause, also spacebar to pause. Press F to pay respects or to go full screen. Press M to mute the video. Press the arrow keys up and down to increase and decrease volume. You can also use the number keys on your keyboard to skip to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% of the video and press 0 to return to the start. It's very helpful if you just want to get to the middle of a video very easily. So I can really recommend you checking this out. I would just use arrow keys, F for full screen, maybe M for mute, and these arrow keys at the start. There's a whole list of shortcuts which I'm going to link down below, and I'm going to do a full video on each and every shortcut in the future, so stay tuned for that one. Tip number 3 is to use watch later and other playlists. So whenever I stumble across videos which I find interesting but I don't want to watch right now, I'm just going to add them to watch later. Now there's a 3-dot bar on the right upper side hand corner of every video. You're just going to click that, these dots, and save to watch later. Then when you get back from wherever you are or just at a later point in time, you can watch these videos and just have a selection on what to watch already made for you by yourself. Now watch later is basically a special kind of playlist, but you can also use other playlists to do the same kind of thing, especially if you're trying to organize videos by topic. So if I stumble across a good music video which is copyright free and I can use in my videos, I'm just going to add that one to my material playlist, and you can pretty much do whatever you like with that feature. Tip number 4 is to use a download tool to download videos offline and watch them on the go. Now Netflix, Prime Video, and these other services all have a save offline feature, which is super useful if you're going on a flight or somewhere you don't have an internet connection. You can pretty much do the same thing by using a download tool for YouTube. So before you go on a long trip, you can select your favorite YouTube videos. Maybe it's a documentary like Shane Dawson recently did, and it's 20 minutes episodes or very long vlogs. You can just select a bunch of these and download them offline, have fun, and delete them later. That's something you don't really think about, but makes so much sense once you try it. Tip number 5 is to activate notifications for your favorite channels, so you get notified whenever they release a video. Now I'm very selective with my notifications. I only have them activated on one channel, I think, and I know when I'm gonna get a notification, I'm gonna click that video and I'm gonna like it. So I only use it on a couple of channels, but that's really a tool to select your favorite kind of content. So if you like this channel or another channel, you should really leave notifications on it to always be notified when there's a new video. So nowadays YouTube is all about recommended. You know, back in the day you would just go to the sub box, find your favorite videos. Now some YouTubers complain their videos don't even show up in the sub box. There's some kind of speculation, there's something wrong there, but basically everyone goes to the website, home screen shows recommendations. So if you want to improve your recommendation feed, you're just going to have to use the rating systems on videos you like. So leave a like on videos you really like, maybe this one, and also leave a subscription to really show the YouTube algorithm that you like this video. That's been it for me for this video. Consider leaving a like on this video to improve your reach at recommended and help my channel, and also leave a subscription if you want to. See you all in the next video. Bye.